Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing Cuisinart's 1.5 quart ice cream maker. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, going around the box, let's take a look at some of the features here. Looks like we have the world's first mess-free paddle that will lift out clean, making less mess and leaving more ice cream. Well, we'll see about that. We've got a locking lid here with an ingredient spout, as you can see right there. That way you don't have to take that off in order to add ingredients. Stylish design. We've got a double insulated freezer bowl and a powerful motor. We got a 3-year warranty, but that word limited can mean a whole lot of things. Again, they're doubling down on that clean paddle thing, and they're claiming that we're going to be able to make ice cream in 35 minutes. I guess that's 35 minutes plus the amount of time it takes to freeze the bowl. And once again, we're going to reiterate that we got the 1.5 quart freezer bowl, even though we've seen that already 3 times. Again with the self-cleaning paddle, again with the 35 minutes for making ice cream. And evidently we can please everybody because we have an endless menu of treats. Simple operation, there's one button and it looks like 3 parts, so yep, that's pretty simple. And once again, all 4 sides of the box have the exact same information. So let's get this thing open. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, as we open this thing up, we got our instructions and our recipe booklet. A little bit of information about the freezer bowl, meaning put that in the freezer on a level surface, yada yada yada, that kind of stuff. But I'm a guy, I don't really look at instructions. Next, we got the product registration card. Nobody on earth has ever turned that in. Quick instruction guide, probably all you really need to get this thing going. And then the actual instructions here and the recipe book. Safety information, what to do before your first use, how to add your ingredients and stuff, how to use the freezer bowl. And looks like we got a whole bunch of different recipes in here. It's like ice creams and custards and all kinds of stuff. Kind of a sad looking recipe book actually. If you've seen any of my unboxing videos for Ninja products, you'd know that those things come with great recipe books with full color pictures and all kinds of other stuff. So that, a little lackluster. Taking this off here. Let's pull that off. This is a nice boxing job though. You're not gonna get, this is not gonna get damaged in shipping, that's for sure. Take this out here first. Here's our top section of the machine, and here is the lid with the paddles. As you can see, they slide down into the screw. So these actually go together as one piece. Okay, our next part is the freezer bowl. And this thing is pretty heavy actually. If you listen carefully, you can hear the gel liquid in this thing. And there's quite a bit of it, and this thing is really thick. It's actually really cold to the touch right now, so that's sort of weird. A little bit more advertisement about this machine. And again, that paddle lifts out clean. This is now the 5th time I've seen this. So, and then this thing just slides right off of there. Pull this out. And there's our base. And really it is a pretty simple machine. They weren't kidding. You got an on-off button here, boom. And then this thing spins around. Not so bad, looks pretty nice. Let's get this thing set up and make sure it turns on. So the basic premise of these machines is very, very simple. You've got your freezer bowl here, and this has got a gel inside. It's double insulated, and this goes into the freezer probably for about a day or so, depending on how cold your freezer is. And this would go on right here, like so. This would go on the top like this, and then your lid here with the miracle paddles on it will go right in here, and that locks into place. Then all you're gonna do is take all your ingredients, put them in the hole, and then just turn this on. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great kitchen tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And you can see this little thing just spinning around here. The paddles up in here actually don't move. They're staying stationary, but the machine is spinning the bowl around down here. So that's pretty interesting. This is gonna keep turning around like this, and in about 20 minutes or so, you got some ice cream. It's a really simple machine with a really simple concept. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll be using this Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker to make several recipes. We'll have a review video for it, and we'll be doing a comparison video between this and the Ninja Creamy, so stay tuned for that. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about our company, you can visit us online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video, and hope to see you again really soon. So until next time, my name's Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.